Okay, this video is for those of you that are going to miss class because of pep rally or whatever. This is our regression project. We spoke about it just a little bit in class. So what you need to do is, if you're at a computer, which I'm assuming you are, open up an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, right here I have an Excel spreadsheet. Now, you're going to be looking at football teams. So whatever team you like, well, Miss Kaiser, you all know, like Chicago Bears. Okay, put it in there. So that way I know what team you're looking at. Next, you want to column for the number of points per game. Okay, then after that, you want to put in the net rushing yards. Okay, and I'm going to format this. Okay, I'm going to make it so that it wraps. How come you're not looking? There we go. Okay, so under alignment, I'm going to put wrap text. That way it'll wrap the text for me. And I also want to do that in my next one, because I'm also going to put in my net passing yards, net yards passing. It would help if Miss Kaiser could spell. Okay, so this is, let's change this to net. Okay, so there's that setup. Now, I am going to be looking at games 1 through 11 because we know that each team has a bye week and we want 10 sets of data. So I'm going to number from 1 to 11. Okay, so now my spreadsheet is ready to go. All I need to do is kind of minimize it a little bit here. Oops, wrong thing. That's that. Minimize the window. And I'm going to pull it over to the side so that I have half the screen. Then get online to NFL.com. Okay, so you're going to get onto NFL.com, and I'm going to make it half a screen just like I have my spreadsheet. So I want to get the stats for 2012. So I come down and I have to look at scores. Okay, so I'm going to hit scores. And under scores, we have the season. Okay, now we're not done with the 2013 season. In fact, we're only in like week 6 of the 2013 season. That's not enough data points. So let's go to the 2012 season and hit go. All right. Now, with this, you're going to get some advertisements and stuff, and the sound can be annoying, but you got to try and ignore it. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm trying to find my bears. Okay, I don't see them there. So let's come over more. There they are. Okay, so they had 41 points in the game. Okay. Now, to get the rushing and the passing, I have to hit Game Center. And then I need to scroll down a little bit, hit Analyze. See, there you go, getting the advertisement. Unfortunately, it's going to run. Okay. Now, under Analyze, you're going to come down to net yards rushing. Okay. So with the net yards rushing, sorry guys, but you're going to run into this as well when you are going through. You're going to have the advertisements, you're going to have the little highlight thing going on. You're going to have to turn those off or let them run, but for the purpose of you getting through this, I'm turning it off. Okay, so here's my net yards rushing. I need 63 in there. And my net yards passing is right underneath it here at 293. Okay, now I need week 2 stats now. Unfortunately, there's no easy way. If you find a shortcut on it, great, let us know. But instead of having a shortcut, I have to go back. I have to hit that back button twice. Okay, so then I'm back up here at the stats. Okay, So now I can go over, and instead of week 1, hit week 2. And the nice thing is week 2, I come down, my bears are right there. So now I put in my 10 for week 2 for points, hit Game Center, scroll down. Now the video's going to go again. Oops, I forgot I need to go to Analyze. Hit my Analyze. I'm going to pause that while I'm here. Okay. Hit my Analyze, come down. There's my net passing. I need my net rushing. Net rushing was, okay, 94. And the net passing is 74. Okay, so there's that. And I'm going to keep going until I get all of that data. Okay, so look for the next video, and you'll see the next step after doing the data. Okay, so good luck with that. Pick your team, go through and get those numbers. Okay, remember, you've got to hit the back button twice in order to get back to the scores so that you can change your week. Okay, remember, you got to hit back twice, and then you come up here and change your week. Come down, find your team again. There it is. Get your score. Okay. Hit Game Center. Come down a little bit. Hit Analyze. Come down farther. And went too far. Get your net rushing. And get your passing. And move to the next one. Okay? So do that. Get all your data points for 11 weeks because you do have a bye. And actually in this case, in week 6 is when the Chicago Bears had a bye. So you just put bye in there and you're done with that one. Okay? So get your 11 data points, in other words 10. You want 10 sets of numbers. Okay? And look for the second video for regression. Okay? See you later.